Hello, this is Mrs. Poffenberger, your biology teacher this year. Welcome back, and I can't wait for a great and exciting school year. This video is to give you an introduction to the Moodle course that we'll be using for biology this year. You'll access my Moodle course through the Tuscarora Moodle page, and when you get there, you're going to be looking for Biology Poffenberger. And once you get to that particular course link, you're going to click on it, and then you're going to self-enroll. Click on the Enroll Me button, and then you'll be in the course. So let's just go through some of the features of this Moodle course. So starting on the left-hand side here with the first block, you have the block that says Daily Sheets Questions. Every day at the beginning of the period, we'll be doing a bell ringer, and the bell ringer will be composed of 4 main parts, and all of the bell ringers will be listed at these links, depending on if you're VOTEC or if you're college prep. And you can just click on those links to access those bell ringer questions if you missed a question or if you were absent that day and need to make it up. So that can all be found here at the Daily Sheets Questions. The next block down is your biology e-textbook. So in this course, we'll be using an online textbook, so that link will take you to your textbook that you'll be using for the course. If we scroll down to the next block, course materials, in the next few days we'll be going over the course syllabus and the lab safety sheet, so those are just links to those particular course materials for you to access. If we go over to the other side, on the right hand side here, you can see that there's a block for Keystone practice questions. As I am sure that you know, biology is a Keystone tested course. So at the end of the exam, or the end of the course, you're going to be taking an exam on biology. So this Keystone block here will help you get some practice questions. So they have practice multiple choice questions, and they have vocab of the day questions. Looking at the middle of the course then, you can see my email is listed here. So if you have questions, if you're absent and you need assignments, you can email me at that particular website. Scrolling down, you'll see these different toggles that represent the different units that we're going to be studying. So there are 8 main units in the course. Basic biological principles is the first, the chemical basis for life, bioenergetics, homeostasis and transport, cell growth and reproduction, genetics, theory of evolution, and ecology. So those are the 8 units that we're going to be working on getting through this school year. So if I just click on the first one, basic biological principles, it'll bring up the different things that are listed under that unit, the different things that we're going to be working on and completing. So just looking at that unit, it's going to be broken down into 3 lessons. Lesson 1's on characteristics of life, Lesson 2, cellular structures, and Lesson 3, basic levels of biological organization. And you can see each lesson is pretty much organized very similarly. You have, on most lessons, you'll have a reading assignment. So when you click on that, it will link you to a PDF file on Google Drive that will have the reading that you're responsible for. The next icon there would be PowerPoint notes. So if you need to look at a PowerPoint that we went over in class, they'll be at that link. The next icon is videos. So for most lessons, there'll be a lesson video that I have created for you, so you can go in and look at that lesson video. If you need a refresher, if you're absent, you can also access that video. And there'll be other instructional videos in there as well from time to time. Explain the terms. We do this often to go over some important key terms at the beginning of the lesson. So you would click on there and complete the journal assignment that's listed there. For most lessons, I have flashcard sets to practice the key terms, so that's located there. The file cabinet icon represents resources, so online resources, and if there's any paper resources or documents that you need to access, they would also be in the resources icon. And then the last thing here is the quiz, so if there's quizzes that we're going to be taking in that chapter, those will be located on that icon. So that's the basic overview of the course and what you'll pretty much be seeing and using throughout the course. So hopefully this was helpful in introducing you to biology and to the Moodle course. And if you have any questions, please see me. Thanks so much for your attention, and I can't wait to have a great school year. Have a great one. We'll see you later.